This makeup is making me feel like $1,000,000. Like, no one can fuck with me. No one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Mai. Today I'm very excited because I'm gonna be recreating Kendall Jenner's Vanity Fair Oscar party look. Okay, that was like a whole mouthful. I literally woke up yesterday and I saw the look and I was like, God damn, that is effortlessly beautiful. I went out and got myself a red hairspray and everything that I needed for this look. She was sponsored by Balenciaga and she was wearing a full-on black outfit, and I think black outfits look so good with gingers. So of course she did a makeup look that was more simple, yet it is so flawless on her skin. We got a long way to go today because my hair is still blonde, my lashes are not looking right, and my face is naked as a Moor rat. So let's get started on this makeup look, shall we? First and foremost, of course, is the skin prep. I went ahead with 2 of my skincare today. Since this look is very glowy, you know, it's creating that perfect skin type of look, I went in with something that's a bit more glossy for my skincare. Let me pull you guys closer. Okay, much better. This is how my skin looks right after my skincare with nothing on my face. I am as naked as a Moor rat right now. First off, in this makeup look, I'm gonna go in with a Tarte primer. Yeah, it looks like this. It looks like a putty. It is literally like a putty. I am hoping that this is gonna hide my pores. I have blemishes on my forehead, acne scars and acne bumps, acne holes. Yeah, I have a lot of those on my forehead. I'm sweating on my lips, so it's just gliding on into the primer right now. Next step is the base. The base is so important in this look because her skin looks so effortlessly flawless without much going on the face, but there's just a lot of chiseling that we have to do. Today I'm gonna use these 3 foundations. Yeah, as you guys can see, this one is darker and this one is lighter. I mix it together whenever my skin is like just not the vibe, like not the color of my body. So this really saves me. And I'm adding my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter foundation because it just gives that glow, you know. I'm gonna mix it together and apply with a beauty blender. It is definitely a little bit darker, but that's what we're going for. A damp beauty blender. Make sure to blend it all the way down to your neck and the sides of your face because, you know, if you're on the runway, you have to look good from all angles. My face is looking very flat. Then I'm gonna add a bit more of the Charlotte Tilbury onto the high points of my face. Since this look is gonna show off my forehead, I'm gonna make it super glowy. We're trying to achieve that Botox glow right now. It looks so much more shiny. Cream contour we're using today is the infamous Rare Beauty cream contour. This has a bit of a darker tone to it. It is also very warm, so I'm just gonna be applying it on my cheekbone, some on my nose. Not too much because it is a very warm tone brown and it's not really going to create that 3D effect for your nose. This is a technique I learned from Makeup by Mario. You put it right here and your neck's gonna appear longer. As you can see, it just gives a bit of warmth to the skin, nothing more. I'm using the NARS Radiant Concealer dupe, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. It has been through a lot. Like, I feel like I've had this since college and that was a lifetime ago. The way I'm doing my eyeliner today is the same technique as Makeup by Area. Ooh, I kind of like it. I never really do the airbrush look. A little on the tip of my nose, on sides, on my lips, and my chin. Now we're blending. Oh my god, we're getting somewhere. This is right after blending. Before we go into baking, I'm gonna craft out my nose contour. I use this every day to contour my nose because it has a very gray brown undertone. Just gonna snatch up my nose, creating 2 lines down my nose and dragging into my eyelids to create that depth so my nose looks taller. Why do I sound sarcastic in this video? Underneath my nose and right on top, creating that button. Next up, we're gonna bake with the Airspun loose powder. This is all about trusting the process, guys. Like, I am not getting anywhere right now. So I put it in the lid basically, and I'm gonna use this beauty blender to just soak up the powder like so. Lightly. After doing so, what you're gonna do is add the contour powder that you want to use. Today I'm using my Marc Jacobs in the color Tantalize 106. I'm gonna add the Marc Jacobs bronzing just right under my cheekbones and a little bit on top of my cheekbones. On my forehead. Now we're gonna wipe all the baking off. Now we're gonna set the base with the Fenty Beauty What It Do makeup setting spray. Spritzing my life away so that I can support Fenty more, of course. Now moving on to the eyes. Kendall has a very brown eyeshadow on with a little bit of a beige cut crease. Very, very natural and subtle, not really a full-on cut crease. Her brows are red, so we're gonna have fun with that. For the base color for the eyes, I'm using Botanica Beauty in this grayish brown shade to give my eyes that dimension, you know. Up slightly, smoking it out slightly. Going in with this darker shade, we're gonna go on the outsides. Very minimal, ever so slightly. Next up on the lid is the partial cut crease. I'm using the lightest shade in the palette, which is this one. Just soak it up in a small brush, like just on top of the lids right here. To wake up your eyes a bit more, you're gonna drag it to the very front of your eyes. My lashes are looking so crazy, I'm sorry. Now for the eyeliner, this one is a duo brow and eyeliner pencil. This side is brown and this side is black. She has a very tiny wing on, which is a little bit slanted up, like so. Goes all the way to the end of her eyebrow, like so. This eyeliner look, it's only gonna go to the middle of your eye, and you're just gonna do a very minimal straight line. Connect the lash line together with your eyeliner like that. It makes such a huge difference. This is how the eyeliner looks right after. Of course, it has that signature cat eye of Kendall Jenner. Now we're gonna go in with the lash line underneath, which is a brownish red tone. I believe that's what she used. It adds such a difference to add eyeshadow underneath the lash line, honestly. Now we're gonna use a small brush to add a little highlight to make the eyes sparkle. Right here, just a little bit, not even that glittery, just literally to make the eyes pop. As you guys can see here, her eye makeup consists of very tiny demi lashes focusing on elongating the tail of the eyes at the very end. So I'm going to be using these sets of lashes that come in different sizes. This is from a Thai lash brand called Bok Dol, which is in the style Lalin. It has very different sizing. It has the smallest sets of lashes to the longest, and this would be perfect for the cat eye we're trying to achieve with the elongated cat wing. Starting off with using this lash glue, and I'm putting it on the back of my hand like so, so the lashes would grip on it easier. Then you tweeze out the longest one first, 12 mm, like so, and I'm gonna finish the rest and come back. This is how my lashes look right after I applied all the lashes. Last but not least on the eyes are the mascara. Today I'm going to be using a Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I've never used this. This is the wand, and I'm just going to be applying it on my lower lash line. For my brows, I'm going to shape it first with this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. As you can see in the picture, Kendall has very much reddish, gingerish, orange, more like a mahogany brown. The difference. This is how my brow looks right after. And then we're going to go in with the red shade. Is this right? I don't know what shade to use, honestly. I don't have red hair. I'm gonna go back in to the Botanica Beauty palette in this brownish red shade. I'm just gonna use a typical angle brush to brush it out Okay, not bad. And then some brow gel from Benefit. Just running out to shape the brows. I look so dead without my lips done. Going back into this palette, we're going to use the lighter shade, the brow bone. And adding it to add a more cat eye effect. And I'm only adding it right here onwards and underneath, leaving this shadow. Now that the eyes and the brows are finished, we're going back to the face to just bring everything together. Going in with my Marc Jacobs again, chisel it out a bit more if it's needed. Oh my god, I look like a whole different person right now. Then we're moving on to the blush. I'm gonna start with the liquid blush. I would say this is a very light pink shade compared to all the other Rare Beauty blushes. I'm gonna place it on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm going to drag it up using this blush brush. Then I'm going to brush it out because it's a little bit too saturated. I'm going to brush it out a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the Hoola contour. Trust me guys, like I know I'm contouring a lot, but it is needed for this look. I'm going to just snatch up the jawline a little bit. Right here and down to here. Then we're going to use the same loose powder to just snatch up underneath the jawline a little bit. See that line? That's what we want. Almost done! Now we're going to give it a little bit of a spritz. A lot of it. The highlight Kendall uses is very minimal, so we're going to be using this illuminator from Rare Beauty. Illuminizer, my bad. And just going to put it on the tip of my nose. Oh, that's a lot. Right here. And then we're going to blend it out. On the forehead, for that Botox forehead, the lips, and on the chin. We're almost done! Now onto the lips. Just gonna take off my lip balm. The color I'm using today for the lips is the L'Oreal Paris in the shade. It does not say. I will put it on top. I'll add it because I don't know the shade yet. It is this beautiful brownish, reddish color. She adds a little cupid's bow on top. So the makeup look is done and I am really loving the results, but I can't really imagine how much this makeup looks like Kendall, so I'm gonna attempt to make the hair work. I'll be right back.
Time like where you at, how you been, are you solo or with him? Can we just chill for a minute? We don't need to do nothing, but when you around I can't seem to get you off me. Don't care about my mind, baby, you just want my body. And I don't got time to fuck with players that's just corny. I need someone real who gon' let me go support me. Yeah, you know that I only roll with real ones, not the type to front or make me feel dumb, cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones.
I literally went from being a fake blonde to a fake redhead and I am living for it. This is the final result plus the sunglasses, if I do say so myself, of this Kendall Jenner iconic Oscar look. And I'm excited. I really like this look. Honestly, this makeup is killer. I am obsessed. I'm so amazed at how this hairspray has made my hair look so snatched and blended with my ponytail. This one was only like $3. And the hair is literally falling off. My how-to on this hair is on my TikTok if you want to see it. Even though I am not Kendall Jenner and I do not look like her, this makeup is making me feel like $1 million. Like, no one can fuck with me. No one. I really like swinging my hair when I have my ponytail on. Even though I didn't have a glam squad, even though I didn't have a style team for this event of being at home look, I hope that you guys still like this video. As cliche as it sounds, it would mean so much to me if you guys interact with this video and click on the subscribe button, so I know that, you know, there's someone watching me on the other side of the screen. I hope you're having a great day or a great night, and I'll see you beautiful faces next week. Bye!